So differentiated, multiply b because you have got b into this. So I will get it as ab e to the power ax plus by into f of ax minus by plus f dash ax. This is minus. Okay, this is minus by. Please check it. So this is my equation one. Similarly, you do it for a. Come on fast. Similarly, please do it for a. Now you differentiate with respect to y. Please tell me the result. Come on fast. Giving you 2 minutes. Come on. Differentiate with respect to y now. Come on, please. Please, come on.
Um, won't the same thing come, sir? Like,
Yes. You see the question? You need to prove that. Add them up. See the question, just add them up. You see, something will cancel out. So what are you getting? Almost the same thing you are getting, you are going to get.
सर आप ये वाला कर सकते हो क्या प्लीज?
बिल्कुल।
थैंक यू।
Yes. Let's see. Let's start the other way. Let's see this one. Where's the equation? Okay, this is the equation. Differentiating with respect to y now. Del z by del y equal to del z by del y equal to y now. Okay. So e to the power ax minus or plus dy, and b will come out now because with y you have got b, and the b will remain as it is, ax minus by. Very nice. Plus, now e to the power something will remain same. E to the power ax plus by will remain same. But now we have got f dash of ax minus by. So we are differentiating the function. Whatever is present in the function will be derivative. Now this is y derivative, and therefore minus b will come in. Check it please. Earlier it was minus a. Earlier it was a. Now it is minus b. You can see the logic. Okay. And therefore let us rearrange it. If you rearrange it, del z by del y is equal to, I will get b, I will get e to the power ax plus by common, f of ax minus by is definitely there, and apart from that, negative of f dash ax plus by. Please check it. And you have got a attached to it. So let's multiply a with it. Let's multiply a with it. Let's multiply a with it. And if you multiply a, what do you get? Del z by del y, a into. So this is ab, e to the power ax plus by, brackets f of ax minus by minus f dash ax plus by. Close it. So this is my equation 2. So I'm ready with it. I am ready. So simply add a and b, 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. For adding 1 and 2. Simply adding 1 and 2. So I will get it as 1 as what? B del z by del x plus a del z by del y equal to. Okay, so here's the term. So this is it. Just put it over here. This is my first term. Check it. This is the first term. Check this. 1. And where is my 2? So where is my 2? So this is my 2. So bring it over here. So this is my 2. And in between you have got a minus sign. Is it? No, sir. Plus sign. Yes, definitely it has got a minus sign. So this one has got a. Oh, which one I'm taking it? No. Hold on. So this is my B, not that one. Okay, so where is that minus? This is minus, this is minus. So let us bring this one. Okay, good. So let us bring it over here. Simply add them up. Please have a look. In this, what I find is this term plus sign and this term is common. Common. And what is this? And what is this? Sir, AB e to the power ax plus by common, and I will be left with this functions f of ax minus by plus f dash of ax minus by plus f of ax minus by minus f dash of ax plus by. Check it. And interestingly, this two term cancels out. Check it. This is plus e to the power. Hold on. This is minus, not plus. This is minus. This is minus, not plus. A function. Throughout, this is minus actually. You change the sign, please. There's a garbage in sign. So this B part is negative. All the other, yes, correct. All right, sir. This cancels out. Please make this correction. So you see, I've got two terms, similar terms. Which one cancels out? F dash and F dash. So this is plus and this is plus and that is minus. Yes. Please take your time, no problem. Write down each and every step. That is better for you, I tell you. So this is from your book, I tell you. They have not solved it, sir. Only two lines are there. Only two lines. Any problem in any step, please tell me. Any problem anywhere, please. Line 1, line 2, line 3, you tell me any line. Clear? Ethan, Kimstan, Fiona.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
हाँ सर हाँ सर
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
And here what I find is these two terms are same, gets added up. 2AB is there. And interestingly, you are getting this. And this is the question that is being given. And this is the question which is given. Look at the question. So this is what is my Z.
Right.
And that is what is A, B, Z. A, B, and Z.
Yes, sir.